Good morning children, welcome to aimsindia's online classes. This is biology session. You are watching environmental pollution. So, we have successfully completed the lesson. So, in today's session we are going to discuss about the questions which are repeated in the previous Olympiads and competitive exams. Before going to worksheet, let us briefly recall the concepts which we have learned. Okay. What is pollution, children? Pollution is defined as introduction of harmful substances in air causing undesirable effects on living organisms, that is air pollution. So, or we can generalize the definition: introduction of harmful substances into the environment causing undesirable effects on living organisms is called environmental pollution. Okay. So, it is of different types: gaseous pollution, that is air pollution, water pollution, what is the another one? Soil pollution, then radioactive pollution, etc. So, air pollution can be studied under two headings: gaseous pollution and particulate pollution. The gaseous pollutants, can you give some examples, children? How they are released? They are released by the combustion of fuels, fossil fuels. Some harmful gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides and carbon monoxide. Okay. And particulate pollutions, particulate pollution include dust, smoke and some harmful metals. Okay. So, what are the causes of these air pollution and effects and how to control? Briefly, the burning of fossil fuels, vehicular exhaust, deforestation, air with particulate matter, volcanic eruptions, dust storms, etc. These are the causes of air pollution. Then what are the effects of air pollution? Health hazards like eye irritation, dizziness, respiratory diseases, acid rain, greenhouse effect, global warming, these are all the effects of air pollution. Then how to control? Keeping the environment clean by managing the waste, control of vehicular exhaust by using this what do you call acid precipitators, scrubbers, electrostatic precipitators. Okay. The control human activities due to rise in population, uncontrolled human activities. Uncontrolled human activities means nothing but over usage of fossil fuels, deforestation, all these are uncontrollable human activities due to rise in the population and rapid industrialization have considerably increased the ecological balance, isn't it? The pollution is the contamination of its environment by release of harmful substances. Then what are pollutants? A waste that can pollute the biosphere, affecting the normal functioning of ecosystem. How do we classify the pollutants, children? Pollutants are classified into two: biodegradable pollutants and non-degradable pollutants. The biodegradable pollutants means those can be broken down by biological agents. Example, kitchen waste can be converted into manure by microorganisms. Non-biodegradable pollutants, those that cannot be broken down by biological agents. Plastics cannot be broken down by biological agents. Okay, children, are you ready? Let us proceed. NEET Olympiad level previous contest questions. The question number 1: which of the following is an organic gas? Hydrocarbons, aldehydes, ketones, ammonia. An organic gas is ammonia. Okay. Ozone is formed in the upper atmosphere by a photochemical reaction with ultraviolet solar radiation, infrared radiation, visible light, all of the above. Ultraviolet UV solar radiation. Ozone is found in which layer of atmosphere? Mesosphere, ionosphere, stratosphere, exosphere. Stratosphere. Which of the following on inhalation dissolved in the blood hemoglobin more rapidly than oxygen? Which gas? Okay, the hemoglobin is most efficient towards which gas? Sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, or nitrous oxides. Okay, carbon monoxide. The hemoglobin combines with carbon monoxide. If oxygen and carbon monoxide both are available, hemoglobin attracts towards carbon monoxide. Okay, it can easily combines with carbon monoxide and form carboxyhemoglobin, okay, which may cause suffocation. Which of the following devices is suitable for the removal of gaseous pollutants? Cyclone, separator, electrostatic precipitator, fabric filter, wet scrubber. Here the wet scrubber, gaseous pollutants. Particulate pollutants means electrostatic precipitators. Which of the following air pollution control devices is suitable for the removing of finest dust from the air? Cyclone separator, electrostatic precipitators, fabric filter, wet scrubber. It is electrostatic precipitators. Air pollution from automobiles can be controlled by fitting cyclone separator, electrostatic precipitator, catalytic converter, wet scrubber. It is the catalytic converters. Taj Mahal at Agra may be damaged by which of the following? Sulfur dioxide, chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen. It is sulfur dioxide which change the color of the Taj Mahal. High level radioactive waste can be managed in which of the following ways? Open dumping, composting, incineration, dumping in sealed containers. Dumping in sealed containers. Which of the following is a biodegradable organic chemical substance? Plastics, oils, pesticides, garbage. Garbage. The process of nutrient enrichment is termed as eutrophication, limiting nutrients, enrichment, schistosomiasis. Eutrophication. The freshwater lakes are most often limited by nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon, none of these. Phosphorus. Fluorides can be removed by reverse osmosis, lime softening, ion exchange, all of these. These are the methods of filtering. Okay, ion exchange method is suitable for removing the fluorides. Permanent hardness is caused due to permanent hardness of water is caused due to magnesium carbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, magnesium sulfate, all of the above. So, it is due to magnesium sulfate. Temporary hardness is caused due to magnesium carbonate, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride. Magnesium carbonate. The following cause alkalinity as well hardness in natural water. Calcium carbonate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium carbonate, all of these. Okay, calcium carbonate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium carbonate, all of these. which is not a greenhouse gas? Methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, nitrogen. Which is not a greenhouse gas? Nitrogen. The instrument used to measure the noise is called audiometer, odometer, clap-on meter, accelerometer. Audiometer. Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty to control greenhouse gases emission, nuclear waste and safety, depletion of ozone layer, spillage of oil. Which one? Greenhouse gases emission. Kyoto Protocol. Which one of this is a non-renewable source of energy? Biogas, wind, hydro means water, nuclear. Non-renewable. Okay, nuclear power is non-renewable. The term BOD is reference to water pollution stands for biological oxygen degradation, biological oxygen demand, biochemical oxygen demand, biosystem oxygen demand. It is a biochemical oxygen demand. Sound becomes hazardous noise pollution. What is the level? Which pollution level? The sound becomes hazardous. Above 120 decibels, above 80 decibels, above 100 decibels, above 30 decibels. Which one, children? Above 120 decibels lead to deafness. Water blooms are formed by lemna, hydrilla, water hyacinth, planktonic algae. Okay, the species which forms water blooms. Okay, that is water hyacinth. Carbonyl nuclear strategy. Carbonyl nuclear tragedy occurs in year. Which year? April 1986, August 6th, 1945, August 9th, 1945, December 3rd, 1984. It is in 1986. The term used for accumulation of non-degradable pollutant in higher trophic level is biomagnification, eutrophication, biome ecotone. Okay, which one, children? Biomagnification. Okay, for example, DDT is a pesticide from the plants enters into the animals and it is gone accumulated. Okay, it is called biomagnification. CFCs are responsible for chlorofluorocarbons, are responsible for ozone layer depletion, global warming, acid rain, none of these. It is ozone layer depletion. To remove which pollutants enzymatic filters are used? Hydrocarbons, lead, nitrogen pollutants, chloride pollutants. Hydrocarbons. Which of the following is not short wavelength? Short wave radiation. X-ray, radio waves, ultraviolet rays, cosmic rays. It is a cosmic rays. 5th June is celebrated as World Forest Day, World Environment Day, World Red Cross Day, World Food Day. It is World Environment Day. Which of these pollutant causes burning sensation of throat and eyes and vomiting sensation? Hydrogen sulfide, sulfur, hydrogen cyanide, arsenic substance. Burning sensation in the throat. Which one, children? Hydrogen sulfide, H2S, rotten exhaled gas. Which one of the following statement pertaining to pollutants is correct? DDT is a non-biodegradable pollutant. Excess fluoride in drinking water causes osteoporosis. Excess cadmium in drinking water causes Blackfoot disease. Methyl mercury is in water may cause Itai disease. It is the first one. DDT is a non-biodegradable pollutant, biomagnification involved in. Which one of the following is considered as a secondary pollutant? Nitric oxide, PAN, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Secondary pollutant, PAN. Ozone hole is the largest over Antarctica, New York, Arctic, Tokyo. It is Antarctica. The maximum noise permissible during daytime in residential areas is 75 decibel, 55 decibel, 65 decibel, 45 decibel. It is 55 decibel. It is maximum. Which are sensitive to sulfur dioxide pollution? Mosses, lichens, ferns, algae. It is the lichens which are sensitive to sulfur dioxide. Foul smell in the water bodies of tanks, ponds, etc. is due to aerobiosis, anaerobiosis, samophytes, biological magnification. It is anaerobiosis, means without oxygen. Okay, children, these are some of the questions which were repeated in the previous Olympiads and competitive exams. Okay, I hope you followed. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.